How to remove the Your browser is managed by your organization managed in the Google Chrome settings. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove Your browser is managed by your organization managed or message in Google Chrome. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this message typically means that certain settings or policies have been applied by an administrator or through a management profile. So in order to remove that, you have to head to the settings on your device. Scroll down and select security, tap system security. Scroll down and on the other select device admin. Now enter the verification code and you have to check for any device management apps and disable or remove them if you don't need them. Once done, you have to open Google Chrome on your device and simply type in Chrome // and policy. Once done, you have to review any active policies. If policies exist that you don't recognize, uninstall any applications that may have applied them. Example apps downloaded outside the Google Play Store. Once done, you can easily reinstall the Google Chrome as well. For that, you have to head towards the settings, select apps, app management, and search for the Google Chrome. And after that, simply you have to uninstall or disable the application and reinstall from Google Play Store. Once done, you need to update Google Chrome. So head to the Google Play Store again and search for the Chrome. If there is any updates, select that and update it to the latest version. So once done, your browser is managed by your organization managed or message will be removed in Google Chrome settings. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.